Yeah, just a quick video, show you what we're up to with the Porsche 302 RSR Rep. Had a bit of an issue with the engine, blew it up basically, so that's out. I'm going to turn it into a 3.4 and just alter a few things with it, change the cam, just have a little fiddle. While it's out, I thought I'd get the suspension all sorted, so I'm poly-bushing all the A-frames, new ball joints, poly bronze bushes from Elephant Racing. The 6 pots we put in a while back now, so 6 on the front and 4 pots on the rear. So the brakes are all really good anyway. Redone all the rear brakes. Trailing arms, new poly bushes, spring plates, Elephant Racing poly bushes again, poly bronze. What else are we doing? Anti-roll bars, front and rear. We're going to put the blade system in. New wheel bearings, front and rear. Drive shafts complete, just changing everything really, refresh it. It's, I dare say a lot of this stuff is from the factory as it came out of the factory. Downside, a little bit of paint here and there, tidying some bits up. And inside, going to put some seats in it, some RSR seats. We've got the classic RS ones at the moment, just feel something a little bit more racy, something to hold you in place a little bit more. Once again, the 6 pots there, a little bit of paint, got an oil cooler going on the front to help with the new engine. Put a new fuel cell in with internal fuel pumps, and flat bottomed the bottom. Been fiddling around with that just recently to get, just to try and help with the drag more than anything. And that's about it really. Coming along nicely. Let's just hope we get it done for the spring.